up this way we've got a very dirty trail. It's done a turn. That way. Straight up and round. That's a new one. Very dirty. Frequency's still bad up there. The circling squeezy jet, it's now changed. Ouch! Squirt, get your bloody claws out of my belly. Golf Echo Zulu Delta Foxtrot squeezy jet Airbus from France to Gatwick. That's a totally different route, isn't it? And it's still bloody wrong. It's gone off there again, so I guess it's landed again. I don't know. Altitude 1616, but like I say, it's changed again. I'm going to save myself a minute here. I'd like to think I can delete it, but the way things are going, every jet seems to be bloody spraying us. This is about to come over. It's Golf Echo Zulu Delta November squeezy jet Airbus Edinburgh to Amsterdam. And is it because I call them Amsterdam that all the KLMs are having a go at us? It's Amsterdam. And here he comes straight over the top, Airbus. Squeezy jet, spraying. Right into the sun. Leaving a slender tail over that way. Still trailed. This is bloody backbreaking. Right, he's out from under the sun. There you go, squeezy jet. Name calling her. There you go anyway, squeezy jet. The one I've just recorded. Spraying us. Quite a clean trail actually. When I say quite clean, it's not spread out as such. It's just a stringy one. Here's a just in case video. Reason being, I recorded this one earlier, spraying the crap out of us, because I made a joke about it being health and safety executive. It's on a return flight, Papa Hotel, Hotel Sierra Echo, Boeing 737 from Glasgow to Amsterdam. KLM, killing machine, just going over now. And here he is, the killing machine, heading towards the sun again, spraying the crap out of us like he did on the way here. Just the bloody same. Must have refilled at Glasgow. Right, just passing the sun. Right, he's below the sun now. I can't see it for the ray off the sun. Is that a plane or is it reflection? Oh, it's the plane. It's alright, it's the plane after all. Papa Hotel, Hotel Sierra Echo, Killing Machine, Royal Dutch Airlines. I must admit though, it's not as heavy a dump as it was earlier. Right across the sun. God, it's warm. Solar radiation management, I tell you something, for blocking out the bloody sun, it's getting a damn sight hotter. Is that how they're going to get to us? Keep changing the weather, hot to cold, so we catch something. And here's some heavy spraying by the RAF. Global Express Sentinel. Bombardier. Sprayed over Darlo, over that way, over there, and over the rooftops there. That's our beloved RAF for you. But he's done a heavy dump. Royal Air Force. Good on you lads, you bastards. So there we have it, RAF. Straight across, there's a squeezy jet running in circles around us. It's still doing the same, but I'll come back to that. RAF registration Zulu Juliet 694, Bombardier Global Express Sentinel R1. AWACS kind of aircraft, or whatever you want to call them, I don't bloody know. Snapshot 2 it's running as. 40,000 foot now. And it's a snot rocket. Nasty.